name is Lashi. So today we are going to make a Poppit pen or a pencil. So when you're bored in class or you don't have a real Poppit to play with, this is the best thing you could do. And things you need for this, for making the Poppit pencil or pen. So you will need a foam paper. So the foam paper you need to use, you need to mark draw the type of shape or any type of thing you want in the foam paper, cut it, and in one of them you're going to cut a circle. So here I have my shapes. I'm going to make a pineapple. And then you will need another small strip of foam paper to apply on. So after you make the pineapple, you're going to apply it like this so you can put it to the pen, any kind of pen or pencil you like. Then you will need a small lid or a cap and a little glass ball or any type of small balls. And then you will need another foam paper, and you need to put the foam paper like this with the glass ball inside the lid. Keep it like that before you start doing this so it can get set. And then at last you will need the glue gun. Be very careful when you use the glue gun because the glue is very hot, and do not touch the tip of it. So let's get started. So I have a Poppit keychain, but I also wanted to add a Poppit pen or pencil to my collection. So for this, you will need a foam paper, and you need to take a pencil and draw any type of shape you like or any figure. You're going to cut two of them, and then in one you're going to cut a circle. And then these are the shapes I got. So here is the one in the back and the one with the circle, and I'm going to make a pineapple, so I need some leaves. And then you'll need a little strip of foam paper to act as a support. So I'm not going to glue this to the pen or pencil. I want to apply it to any kind of pencil I want. So you're going to apply it like this and apply any type of shape you're making the Poppit on top of it. Then you will need a small lid or a cap. And you will need another square of foam paper, and then a little glass ball or any type of balls you like. But it should be really small. It should fit into the cap or lid you're going to take. So you're going to take this small strip of foam paper, put it inside the cap and put the glass ball. Before like 10 or 15 minutes, you start making the Poppit pen or pencil. It's really easy to form this shape if you're gonna iron or heat a little bit the paper you're gonna use to make the Poppit. And at last, you need a glue gun. So you're gonna, after you draw, you're gonna take your two pieces and keep it aligned and keep it in the side. You need the correct sides. You need to apply it. Then you're going to take this piece and figure out what type, at what point you need to glue it. So for my pencil, I need this much to glue. Take the glue gun. It's okay. And you need to tell the adult to help you with when you use the glue gun. You're going to apply a little bit on the end of the paper. After that, you're going to take it out And then you're gonna take the glass ball out of the lid, and then you're gonna apply it in here like this. You're gonna apply some glue around the ends. A mess. After that, you're going to apply some glue to the corners. And apply this part. And before that, you're supposed to cut a circle in both the papers. So I forgot it, but you can do it. You're supposed to. Then you're gonna let it dry. Then, if there's any accessories or designing to your puppet, you're gonna apply that part now. So I'm gonna apply the leaves of the pineapple. See if your holder is dry yet. Then take another time if it fits. So if it fits, you're gonna apply some more hot glue and then apply it onto your puppet. Both of them dry for a while and remove the excess parts around it, like the glue strips that hung when you apply the glue gun. Now we are going to test if the puppet really pops. And my this. Now we are going to take your pencil and voila! Now you got a Poppit pencil. So if you want to make it a Poppit pen, you're going to apply it on the pen. So it's super duper easy. And like takes 3 materials. Yeah, it takes only 2 materials, but with the glue gun, the scissors, the glass ball, and the lid, it takes a bit more. But this is the most easiest way you can make yourself entertained when you're in a class. So, thank you for enjoying this video. Hope you try this at home, but be careful when you use the glue gun. So, like and subscribe. See you. I hope I meet you in another video. Bye!